This is a busy snake day. Jasmine chewed your fingers up. Hi, Faide. Hi, buddy. His eyes look like cookies and cream ice cream, don't they? Hey, yes, I found my mama. You're on my camera, honey. You coming to see mama? Okay. I can't film you with you on my camera. You want me to show you how to do the back on that?
I figured it out.
Be sure and don't let it run empty. Where you going? You can't get on me. I can't film you. He always gets on me. Ben, take this thing. So I can film him.
Come on, guys.
Go hug Ben.
Let's take you this way.
Go hug Ben instead of me. He's got grass on his chin. See if he finds me again. Put him down pointing this way and see if he finds me. Faide! Where are you? Faide! Right back to mama. Look at him. Say, where'd my mama go? Where's my mama? Where's my mama at? Faide's coming to mama. So I found her. I found my mom. Hi, Faide. What are you doing, handsome? What you doing, handsome boy? Faide's coming to get mama. Come on. You found me. So I found my mom. Yes, I did. Hi, honey. What are you doing? I love their eyes. They look just like cookies and cream ice cream. Hi, sweetheart. So I found her. I found my mom. Yep, I found my mama. Okay. All right, get on my lap. You're determined. Ben took you away and you came right back. Yeah, he's my buddy. He's my bud. Okay. You happy now? You stay here. You're not getting behind me. No, you're not going behind me. Here, want to film? I'm not going to be able to get rid of it. It's set. Just turn it around and let it go. Oh my goodness gracious. Did you find me? Huh? Did you find me? You stuck my hair, hon. Stuck in my hair. Yes, you are. You're stuck in my hair, Faide. Okay. All right. You okay? I found mama. I found mama. Huh? Did you find me? Did you find your mama? Yes, you did. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I want you to get some exercise. Why you gotta always be on me? Ah. We got a really big yard here. Why you gotta always climb on it? Huh? Oh, I see why. Look at his belly, Ben. Did you notice the colors of his belly? Look. He's getting ready to shed. See how smoky, hazy it is?
Yeah.
He's gonna be shedding pretty soon. Okay, run to mama. Run to mama. Okay. I love you. I love you. Okay. Oh, you're pulling my hair out by the roots, pal. Here, let's go see Ben. What if I turn you around, your body around, and redirect you that way? There, that worked. He's gonna take off. I don't want to be over. I want to be on you. Okay, all right. Be on me then. Be on. Oh yeah, look at the orange on his belly. That's so cool. Okay. All right. Yeah, I love you to death. Yeah, it's hard to believe he can lay out the bite he can as small as his face and mouth is. Look how little his mouth is. One of the worst bites I ever got was from this guy. Because those metal water dishes, when I bought them, he loved wrapping around them, and every time I go to take his water dish out or add more water to it or clean it and refill it, he would attack me for trying to take his water dish out. So I had bandages on both hands one day because he didn't want to give up his water dish. You keep coming. He's got a purple tongue. And there didn't used to be purple. When did your tongue turn purple? I can't get rid of you today, huh? Why don't you? Here, go visit Ben. Go see Ben. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a mama's boy. That's a mama's boy. Yeah, I love you. I love you. I just can't get rid of you, huh? Can't get rid of you. Huh? Your nose is popping. Here, let's turn you around. There. He's still gonna come back to me. He does it all the time. All right. I guess you made a statement. Yes, I love your face. Your eyes are gorgeous. You've got beautiful eyes. Yes, you do. These videos with people getting into an enclosure and opening an enclosure with big snakes in it, freaking out every time the snake moves, they crack me up. Big snakes are not lethal weapons. I don't know why people use it to their advantage. But the thing is, when people do that, they don't realize they're giving people a bad impression of that snake. They're not giving them a positive impression about that animal. Acting like it's gonna attack you and kill you. That's some crap, that is. Okay, will you stay? Go see Ben. Come on, babe. I love you. Mama's boy. They're all mamas. Mama's babies, huh? Mama baby. Where are you going? Where are you going? He has a gorgeous Dumeril. Really? My arm can't hold your body up as heavy as you are. Come here. Let's try it this way. You're still gonna get on me. I can't get rid of you for anything today. Okay. I'm not gonna run away and leave you, I promise. Yeah, I'm forcing him to be on me. Can't you tell? You can stop that. Yeah, Faide got to go out today too, thanks to Ben. He's a real handful for me. Faide is. Well, 4 hands full. He's getting reshed. See how light his belly is? And the orange dots on it. Yeah, he probably want a drink now. That's Faide, my Dumeril's ground boa. That made his day, I'm sure. He'll get a drink now, probably slow right down.